The impact of these fires has also been felt by so many across the country.
But the damage caused by the Eaton Fire also created issues for another planet. Fox 10 Steve Nielsen joins us now to explain what we mean. Steve.
Yeah, inside of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, they house the Deep Space Network. That's what connects all the researchers and scientists across the world, like those here at Arizona State University, to all of the deep space missions in our solar system. And for the first time ever earlier this month, the Deep Space Network had to evacuate. The inauguration speech laid out an out-of-this-world goal.
To plant the stars and stripes on the planet Mars.
But NASA's scientific missions came to a halt this month on Mars because of a wildfire in California.
So fast, and the scale of it is so large. It's hard to imagine.
Dr. Lori Leshin is an Arizona native and an ASU alum. She's now the director of the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, NASA's only federally funded research and development center. They build the robots that comb the surface of Mars, and their Pasadena campus was surrounded by the Eaton Fire.
It's irreplaceable. I mean, there's hardware getting ready to fly into space that's on our lab. There's laboratories that do exquisitely challenging technical work.
While the campus survived, the buildings were evacuated. 200 scientists lost their homes, including ASU alums.
It's the first time in 60 years that we've fully closed our Mission Operations Center on lab, but there's been no people in it. There's literally been people in that room 24/7, 365 since 1963.
Ernest Cisneros said ASU School of Earth and Space Exploration says their mission, controlling the massed KMZ on the Perseverance Rover, halted.
We're shutting down the lab, and that was really this is really serious.
The ASU Control Center paused since the rover was mostly paused too, while the people of JPL moved off campus. This morning, after more than a week, operations finally resumed on deep space missions.
Recovery is still an ongoing thing. Even though we're back to operations, the focus is still, if you need to be worried about your home, your health, whatever, that's what you need to do.
We lost no data. We were in touch with all the missions we needed to be talking to, and now they're back. And it's really a heroic story.
A fund has been set up for the hundreds of JPL scientists who lost their homes in those fires. We have a link at fox10phoenix.com. Steve Nielsen, Fox 10 News.